Hello everyone, welcome to another video. All right, so in this one, as I promised on the Telegram group, I was going to do a little bit of a small video on mastering manipulation. So it's going to be a quick one. So all I'm asking for is like 5 to 10 minutes of your time, right? So this is how we're going to use the doubling theory along with the power of 3 expansion in order to anticipate high probability manipulations. That means catching the high and the low, okay? So what you need to look for in price is you're going to be, so when we're considering the process of manipulation, we know by now that price will seek to raise stack liquidity. So stack liquidity being mitigations, right? In the form of mitigated blocks. So these blocks are the blocks as described by ICTs or a block theory. But we will be taking another approach to this, and we will only be using the order blocks in the way in which I use them as per what I've taught you guys on my YouTube channel. Okay. Now, the algorithmic theory is as follows. We're looking for these preliminary conditions, and then I'll show you one example, and then the rest is for your study, okay? Now, initially, you are looking for price to take out stack liquidity, as you can see on the right-hand side, and your main focus will be on the order block that was responsible for taking out this stack liquidity. You're looking for price to trade above that order block, validating it. Now, when price validates it, we know by now that there is a change in the state of delivery. And you can be confident in the fact that the manipulation swing point, right? So that M, that peak low in this case, will remain in place for price to distribute higher in this case, or lower in another case, as defined by my doubling theory, power of 3 expansion, time division. Oh, I see there's a problem with the I over there, but okay, you get what I mean. So also known as the foundations of my fractal time principle. Okay, so this is how you're going to be viewing your manipulation. So this way, without guessing what is accumulation, manipulation, distribution, you can clearly state, okay, this is manipulation, next is distribution, and then you can start projecting these phases of price forever. Actually, forever, okay? And of course, sometimes it's going to be hard, sometimes it's going to be easy, but that depends on how much experience you have in using these concepts or how much experience you have in actually knowing the different accumulation fractals in order to understand that it is indeed an accumulation fractal. So in this example, okay, in this example, we can see that we are having stack liquidity, right? On the low, on the left-hand side, before the A, right there. So we have that right there, okay? Stack liquidity. And then we have stack liquidity up over here as a part of the accumulation. So we have this low and this high. When price took out this stack liquidity pool right there, we traded below this up close candle, making that a bearish order block. There. That's the mitigation. And once we're done with that mitigation, we form another stack liquidity pool up over here, making that an extension of liquidity. There's going to be a lot of liquidity over there because this led to a big move down. Knowing that this is an accumulation, once we start the next phase of price, the moment we take out this stack liquidity pool, we know that this is manipulation. Okay. Now on the 15-minute chart, this entire block down was responsible for taking out this stack liquidity. When we ran up here, you can buy over here, you can wait for price to come back into it. That is your long, and you're going to keep your stop loss below this candle or below the order block candle. And you will target this high or this high because they're stack liquidity pools anyway, both of these, okay? That's a stack liquidity pool, that's your buy, and then you can see that we have stack liquidity here. This is your rejection block, price doesn't quite come to it, it's okay, and starts to slowly go up. Okay, you can use ICTs, market maker models, up to you, everything is okay. Anything goes as long as you get the algorithmic conditions, right? That is, we're looking for stack liquidity to go, then you're looking for the change in the state of delivery via the order block being confirmed. Understanding the price phase based on my divisions of time as per the fractal time principle. Okay, so I hope you understood. I hope everything is okay. And if you have any questions, you can of course ask it in the comment section down below, or you can send me a message on Telegram or Instagram on my business account. I'll be sure to answer your questions. Right, so with that said, I see you in the next one. Good luck and good trading. Bye-bye.